Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to report a channel in Telegram on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. Go to the channel you want to report from the chat list and click on it to open. Step 3. Click on the 3 dots icon located at the top right corner of the channel. This will open a menu of options. Step 4. Click on Report from the menu. This will initiate the reporting process. Step 5. Choose the reason for reporting the channel. You can select from the default options provided by Telegram, such as spam. If none of the default options match your reason, click on Other and write your specific reason. Step 6. Finally, click on the tick icon to confirm and submit your report. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to report a channel in Telegram on your PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and happy reporting.